Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Maraki. In today's video, we'll unbox and review the Luho Box August 2019 edition. It's a luxury beauty subscription box priced at Rs 750 including shipping, but I have a special code for you all which is SONA05, using which you can get a 5% additional discount. So you'll get it somewhere around 710 including shipping, and there's a Voto product due to which I bought this edition plus many more products, so let's check them out.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the box has reached me. So there is this brown cardboard box over the actual box. And this is how the box looks like. As I told in my first impressions video in the month of June, the box itself is such great quality. Like, this itself speaks tons about the quality they provide, because once you open you have this kind of foam and everything is quite nicely packaged. So let's go through the products now. Because of this kind of packaging, the products are really secure and the color combination is also great, black and golden, and there's some texture. The box quality is great. It's like really sturdy box. You can definitely reuse it for storage options or make it a craft gift box. You can DIY it or something. So the first product and kind of a star product this month is this Voto product. It's their multivitamin and rejuvenating night cream, night infusion. I have used this particular product. It's a 30-gram size, and here you can see all the directions of use, etc. Here are the claims of the product and the key ingredients mentioned. This works amazingly on my skin. I've heard so many good reviews from others also. This brand itself is a luxury brand. You see it on Nykaa also. And this particular product in particular, I absolutely love it. It makes my skin really hydrated and moisturized. When I apply it during the night, the next day my skin does not have any kind of dryness. Even if I apply some talc or some makeup on my face, it goes on really smoothly. And overall I felt some kind of glow when I was using it regularly. So I definitely wanted to have this one, but this itself cost more than 1500 rupees. The full size, the 50 grams, cost somewhere around 2500 or something. So I did not want to spend so much on this product. When I saw this in the box, I definitely had to order the box. So if you haven't tried it, you get a great chance of trying it through this box. Very happy to receive this. Then after that, there's a product from a very well-known brand for subscription boxes, Fuchsia, and I personally like their products too. This is their Orange and Avocado Balancing Intense Moisturizer, 100 ml size, of course SLS, paraben, phthalate, all those things free, made in India product, cruelty-free product, and 450 rupees is the price. Packed in July 2019, and here are the ingredients. I have tried another moisturizer in a different variant from their range, and it was very moisturizing. I like the fragrance too. It is a lotiony consistency, so it's perfect for pre-winter time. I will definitely be using this. The next we have a product which is again kind of a luxury product from a luxury brand. It's from Luxa Derma, New York, and this is their peeling and exfoliating foot mask with sea kelp, thyme and Brassica campestris. I don't know what that last part is, but it will exfoliate, peel and reveal good soft heels and soft nourished feet. It's for all skin types, 40 ml size, and here are more details on how you can use it, the directions and how it helps your feet. It has a unique blend of AHA and BHA. So if you are somebody who is into active ingredients, you must have heard about this. It kind of loosens the bonds between the dead skin cells and your renewed skin. So this will peel your skin chemically and reveal the more glowy and nourished skin underneath. I am really looking forward to using this one. Next we have a product from Chuzba Naturals, and this is their Moonbeam soap free cleanser, 50 gram size, and here are the ingredients mentioned, which definitely look good. I have used such a cleanser from Vert, and I do like them. I actually keep them on my face for a couple of minutes rather than directly rubbing it off, so it kind of dries a little bit. It's not very liquidy, and then it works really well. This is again a cruelty-free, natural, handmade, paraben-free product, And I have used the under eye roll-on. I started using it recently from this brand. So this is the second product I have got from the brand, and I'm definitely looking forward to trying this one. And finally, there is another product from the same brand, and it's their Coffee Cat Body Scrub, 100 gram size. And here is the how to use and ingredients mentioned. Again, good ingredients. It is a sugar based scrub. So this is how it looks. It looks very pretty as it is. So definitely looking forward to trying this one. MRP is 350 rupees. So those are all the products in the August edition of Luho box, and here is the info card. They have mentioned the pricing as well. The Bothwa product is worth 1550 rupees by itself, which is more than double the price of the box. And here are more details about the product as well. And the Fuchsia product is worth 450 rupees. The foot mask is worth 750. The face cleanser is worth 200, and the body scrub is worth 350. I think as newcomers, new brands in market, these are quite reasonably priced. This is a luxury brand, and same goes for Bothwa. And Fuchsia, most of you already know about them, right? So that's all for today's review. Overall, I feel the brands included are really good. It has the luxury feeling when you open the box, even with the packaging itself. For me particularly, I love the night cream, of course, and this foot peeling mask as well, because it has the HA/PHA. So I'm really looking forward to trying this one. If you liked it and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. You will also find a link to the giveaway running on my channel. If you haven't already, please do check it out and participate. It's really simple, and you can win prizes worth more than 1000 rupees each, and there are 5 winners. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.